help me? Huh? Daddy can't get into that one. Can you get into it? Get into it? Help me. How about right there? Do it right there. Saw it right there. There you go. Saw it. Oh.
What is it, CJ?
Show mommy. Show mommy. It's a bulldozer. You see that, mommy?
Cool.
Daddy, you can get out of the box. You open this one up. Open up another one. You get that one?
Take it to Daddy. Oh. Here. Pull, pull, pull. Pull that paper. What is it? Pull, pull. Pull, pull. Look. What all you got there? Take it to Daddy. He'll open it the rest of the way.
Open another one. I ain't saying to score a hit with that one,
Yeah.
but it scares him every time he turns it on. You notice?
Open another.
Hey, buddy. Here. Come here. Help me open this one.
He's rather play with them than open them.
Yep.
You want to just go ahead and... Hey, open one more and then you can play, okay?
Here. Let's open this one.
Well, that's pretty much the same as the others, isn't it? That's another big one.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm thinking...
Hey, come here. Come here, CJ. Help me. Help me. There we go. It's in there. What's in there? Is that? Wow.
Is that another big truck?
Daddy, open it up.
It's like, well, I get it to this point every time. Y'all take it away from me. Hey, get the one behind you.
Open that one up.
Nah, he's done, Ruh. I'm done. I want candy. Hey, Daddy, can you use your knife and let him have one of those, please?
Okay.
Open it from the top, though. There you go, CJ. There's your candy. Num 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 num. Open another present. Hey, use your saw and open that one. Don't kick it. Open it. Uh-oh. Here, pick up the rest. Pick them up. Can you put them back in the tube, please? Thank you. Thank you. There's 2 more down there. Put them back in the tube, please. Okay. Now you can open that one if you want. But you gotta open it before you put it in your mouth.
Hey, come here, look at this. See what's in there, buddy. What is that? What is that? What is it? Yeah, a man. Look at that. Moo. Yep. What's in this one? Come here. Look. Hey. Put your finger there. What is that? Those are moves? That's it. Come here. One more. Hey.
Almost there. You can play, but we're gonna get them open first.
Oh, wow. Look at that tractor. Look how big that one is.
He's dancing.
Wow, that is a big fire truck. That's a big fire truck, buddy.
Hey, CJ, you got one left right there behind you. That's the last one to open.
Hey,
Go open it. Last one.
come here.
Here. I'll open this. You open that.
Hey.
Okay?
CJ, come here. Help Daddy. Help Daddy.
Go open it. Last one.
Man, I like to keep that for me. Mine?
That got his attention.
Ooh. Cool. You want it?
Thank you. Yeah. Shoving candy in with one hand and the toothbrush with the other. Are those the reserved for older?
Little parts.
Yeah. Well, CJ, give Daddy a hug. Say thank you.
Hey, I love you.
Santa came and saw you, and you got all kinds of goodies. Now you get to play with them. Hey, CJ, can you look at the camera and say Merry Christmas? Hey.
Say cheese.
Cheese.